We're here with the Cadillac XT6. It's one of our first that we've got. Beautiful car, a much needed addition to the Cadillac lineup for those people who are looking for a little bit more luxury but don't want to go the full step to an Escalade. XT6 fills that gap perfectly. That makes this an awesome car. One thing I love about these cars is the signature look of Cadillac. You've got the low profile lights on all the new cars coming out, as well as the LED signatures right here. It's amazing. And next, my favorite part, under the hood. The 3.6 liter V6 that Cadillac has had in so many cars. Now 310 horsepower, 271 pound-feet of torque, but most importantly mated with a 9-speed transmission, and in the sport variants with the torque vectoring, twin clutch, all-wheel drive system, gives this car an amazing feel. One thing I noticed about the luxury to the sport is you can absolutely feel the difference between those two transmission types, and it makes the driving feel amazing. Inside the XT6 is even better. You've got an 8-inch touchscreen operating the Cadillac User Experience 3.5. The great thing about this new software is that it actually has user profiles. So you can come in here, select users, and actually create your own profile, which is stored on the cloud. And when you get into any Cadillac or any GM vehicle at all, you can actually log in, open your profile, and all of your radio presets, seat presets, mirrors, and everything is contained in there and automatically comes to that vehicle. The other thing I love about this car are all of these carbon fiber inserts on the wheel, the dash, which really give it an upscale feel, and the materials inside this car are honestly some of the best I've ever seen in a Cadillac. One thing I really love about the new car is the new knob in the middle here. This actually allows you to control the screen in front of you without having to take your eyes off the road or move your hand up towards the screen. The new shifter is electronically controlled and allows for easy shifts from any gear and is very intuitive to use. The Cadillac XT6 also has some amazing features that are built into every car. First one being the rear backup camera. When you back up, everyone loves a camera. The nice thing about this car is it actually has a washer for the camera, so every time you put your windshield washers on, it'll actually clean your camera so that you can actually see out of it during the winter. The other thing that this car has that's amazing is front collision alert. That also includes low-speed braking and as well as a forward pedestrian alert. All of these features are also linked to the safety alert seat, so you actually get a warning when you're driving that you can feel. Some additional features that you can get on the XT6, which are also amazing, include rear automatic braking, rear pedestrian alert, a full camera mirror, and adaptive cruise control. In the new XT6, all rows of passengers are treated to the new 14-speaker Bose performance sound system. One thing I've always loved about Cadillacs is the Bose sound systems because they're specifically designed by Bose and Cadillac together to provide the best quality sound in every seating position in the car. Despite the convenience of this vehicle's captain's chairs, in any car in the world, there's no graceful way to get into the third row. However, once you're back here, it is quite comfortable with tons of headroom. The XT6 actually has class-leading headroom, so you can pretty much do anything you want. Wear a huge hat, have super tall people in the back, whatever it is, we got you covered in the XT6. The Cadillac XT6 has a foot-operated tailgate, which is super convenient and works amazing every time. The other thing about this car is the cargo room. Now, when you have the third row up in any vehicle, you're not going to find a lot of room. Nice thing about this, you do have some under-the-back storage to expand that area if you do need to have the third row up. However, if you don't need the third row up, nice thing is you can put it down using the power adjusters in the rear. And if you need a little bit more room for anything even bigger, you can even operate the second row from back here as well. As a Cadillac dealer, we're super excited about the future of Cadillac because we know this brand is going to take off and it's going to make us stand out in the crowd of other luxury vehicles. Thanks a lot.